Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sara Art and Design. My today's video's topic is how we can make cuff sleeve which looks very beautiful, very elegant with the band neck collar kurti. So for this sleeve I'm taking 15" of length of my sleeve, and it would be ready 14", and I'm taking 1" seam allowance extra. So here I'm taking 3", 4" for cuff, and ready cuff would be 3", because 1" would be gone in a seam allowances. So for this I have already cut my simple sleeves, and for the cuff area I have taken double folded fabric. Its length is 15", and after folding it would be 7.5", and its length would be 4". So if you have any confusion that how we can take the extra margin and how we can take the cuff size, then you can place your fabric on cuff size and then take extra 1" margin on a side, because little bit would be gone in a cutting and ½ would be in a seam allowance. So now I'm taking ½ upperward and a ½ on a sideward, and where it's matched we will mark the ½ for curve portion. So it would be little bit like shoulder curve. You have to give a little bit curve. You can give curve, you can as a square, you can mention a triangle over here. It's your choice which shape you exactly want. So I'm giving a little bit curve over here. Just make a curve and cut it out. So it would be look like this after cutting. So I have the 4 pieces of this cuff. This is only one sleeve where we have to join it. So I have already made the dory piping for this cuff. So here is the right side of my fabric cuff side, and this is the piping side where we have to attach the piping. The piping facing will be on a upward side and the fabric will be on a downward side, and we have to make a stitch on it. On a round shape, on a curvish area, I will little bit give a notches over here so that it move around very. Finishing would be very high over there. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the comment section. So this one would be like this, and we have to place another fabric over it and make a stitch, and after making this it would be look like this. So now I'm placing the another side of fabric. This is the wrong side of my cuff, and place it on, and we will give the stitch on the same stitch we have already done, because it would be look like a gum piping over here. So now we have to little bit careful on a curvish area. Just make a stitch on a already given stitch. So after making stitch, give a little notches on a curvish area, and now replace your fabric, and it would be look like this. Just iron it, fix it, and cut the extra fabric from the sides, cut the extra thread, and make a finished line. So my both sides are ready over here. Now I'm going to attach with the sleeve. So my cuff is ready. After ironing this, its finishing is very beautiful. Its piping looks very nice, very elegant over here, and my cuffs are already ready. So now I'm going to mark a center line on it, and just give a little bit notch for the center marking, and we have to place our cuff to the folded side to the on upward side, and curvish area on the center point. You have to be careful that your mark and these points meet each other. If you are a beginner, then pin it at first and then give a stitch. So now I'm just making a stitch over here. So after finishing the stitch, you can make a double stitch over here, or you can lock your stitch on the ends. Now we have to fold our fabric. You can fold it like this, or otherwise you can fold it that your fabric will be placed on upside, and then make a stitch on the edge of the shirt. So my sleeve is ready now. So it would be look like this. You can fold your fabric and make a gum stitch, one more stitch over here so that your threads will not be loosen it out. And now after stitching this, it would be look like that. You can place any kind of a button, any dory, any tassel, or a bow, whatever you can place it out, so that it enhance its look and it look very beautiful when you wear it. It's really, I really like this sleeve because it's gave you a perfect look. So after doing this, just fold your sleeve and cut the extra fabric, and you have to measure your mori part. So after measuring your mori part, you can just mark your mori or your bottom of your sleeve and make a stitch over here. So this is the final look of my sleeve. If you guys like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up, or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel, share my videos with your friends.